Do you love watching YouTube videos for tutorials or just a pastime? Since you are here watching this, I'm pretty sure you do, right? What if I tell you that you can actually earn money just by watching YouTube videos? I am not talking about 50 cents, $1, $10. I'm talking about $1,500. Yes, you heard me right. You can earn $1,500 just by watching YouTube videos. You want to know how? Watch this video until the end because I will teach you how. Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security all in all. Let's talk about money. It's much simpler than you might imagine making money watching videos. It's a straightforward approach to get additional money because you probably already watch movies and commercials online in your free time. Along with related endeavors like launching a YouTube channel, it's a fantastic way to earn money. There are methods to make money even from the convenience of your home. For today's video, we will be teaching you how to earn money by watching videos. We will give you 4 websites that you can utilize. Be sure to finish this video until the end. Number 1. Creations Rewards. According to rumors, Creations Rewards is one of those money-making websites where you can register and begin making money while sitting on your couch and using your phone or computer mouse. Let me be honest with you about this site. There are a lot of complaints about this site that it is a scam. This site was established in 2000 but until 2022. Why is it still existing? It's already been 22 years. If it were a scam, it would already be long gone, like those investment schemes that other people invested in. They are just gone in thin air. But Creation Rewards didn't. Their website is still there. When you go to creationsrewards.net, they offer to pay you for everything you do online daily. From taking surveys, shopping online, exploring websites, trying offers, watching videos, and more. It is still up to you if you just want to watch videos. If you want to explore other site features to maximize your earnings, that will also be possible. This site is absolutely free to use. There are no hidden charges and can be used worldwide. No college degree is needed and no experience is required. Now that's too good to be true, right? Of course, there is no easy money. Do you know what you will invest here? Your time and patience. Just go to creationsrewards.net, sign up to the website, fill up all the necessary details, and don't forget to complete the CAPTCHA. The good thing about this website is that you will receive $5 as a sign-up bonus. You can redeem points just by watching a video and you will get your money through PayPal. Or if PayPal isn't available, you will receive gift cards to withdraw your earnings. You can gain points very quickly. Every 1,000 points are equivalent to $5. What do you think about these points so far? Please share them in the comments section below. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and love our topics, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Also, give it a thumbs up as this will allow YouTube to show this video to more people. Thanks! And now let's continue. Number 2. Ucubes. About 1 million people are registered on this site, and this was established in the year 2007. So if you are still doubtful about that number, I don't have any more proof to show you since that is already so solid. Just like Creations Rewards, you can also do other things here like watching videos, completing surveys, and viewing other websites. You can get paid through PayPal, and this site also pays you through cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and much more. Just sign up on this site, complete the necessary details, and click I am not a robot. The best thing about this site is they have a referral bonus. You will get a 15% commission from your referrals. Number 3. Fusion Cash. This website was established in 2005. It is still available, but only in the US. This is not available worldwide. If you are watching this and you live in the US, then this site is for you. This website also gives a $5 sign-up bonus, and it is also absolutely free. All you need to do is to sign up, confirm your email address, and complete a straightforward survey. Just click the Get $5, then you will be redirected to a sign-up page. Fill in the necessary details, and then register. After registering, just click the video so you can get paid by watching videos. If you want to maximize your earnings, they also have other tasks for you, like downloading mobile apps, playing games, referring the site to your friends, and much more. Number 4. Box Insight. Our last website for this video is Box Insight. According to their site, you will get paid every 10 seconds. You only need to earn a minimum of $2 so you can cash out your earnings instantly. Plus, the good news is that it accepts many payment methods other than PayPal, and it is available in most countries around the world. This website was established in 2014, and until now, it is still up and paying people for tasks. Just click the register in the upper right corner of the screen and complete the necessary details. You can earn money just by simply viewing videos of advertisements. This site is absolutely free and lets you earn a lot of money. By utilizing these sites and maximizing their potential, you can absolutely earn $1,500 just by watching videos. So, what are you waiting for? Just sign up to these sites, claim the sign-up bonus, and complete tasks. You can already earn thousands of dollars. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you think these sites are legit? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.